Hello, I am Jason Drulard. Currently, I am the 7th grade ELA teacher at Smoky Valley Middle School, which is USD 400. I am also the 7th and 8th grade head girls basketball coach at the middle school. My experience with leadership, other than being a head coach, I've worked on a committee to improve school culture. I've also worked directly with my superintendent for a writing contest that he wanted classes to compete in. Why I want to be a school administrator really starts with I want to develop a great school from the top. I fully believe in extreme ownership, and too many times I've seen administration, whether they're crooked or not, fall short of taking ownership and spend most of their time passing the blame. I want to create a school culture that isn't strictly focused on what we can do for the students, but what we can do for the faculty as well. Because as teachers, we know that it's extremely important to keep the faculty happy. That will ultimately create a great school. Through my background in sports, I've certainly developed a work ethic that enables me to push through challenges. So for some additional information that I can share, I know every day is a challenge for teachers. At my previous school, I was miserable. The environment was horrible and it was not a good situation. I was able to move to a new district, and that has completely changed how I feel about education. I'm happy every day at school and I enjoy where I am. I don't go home with a headache anymore. It certainly reassured me that I didn't make an enormous mistake going to school to be a teacher. I want to create that type of school for teachers because at the end of the day, a happy teacher will produce more effective teaching. The students will be better off, and as a school overall, it will be better. But again, that starts at the top, which I hope to someday help create a great school.